So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to make a pair of seed bead earrings without buying too much crap, but not getting halfway through and realizing, oh no, this sucks. I need this, and you don't have it. And it's in the middle of the night, and you're in your pajamas, and the bead store's closed. So first you need your seed beads. These here are seed beads, or Delicas, but these are seed beads. These are my favorite pliers, chain nose pliers. These are my favorite scissors. They're for fabric. They work really well with the thread and the fire line. Or wildfire if you like wildfire. If it's gel spun, polyethylene stuff, it's good. And a lighter, because I like to burn things. No, that's for the thread. And here's the thread I use for the fringe. It's all-purpose thread that you can buy in the sewing department of your nearest craft store. You can either find them in 100% polyester or a blend between polyester and mercerated cotton. So this is usually what I have, like bare essentials, including the needles here. I use these for weaving in the ends, and I use these for the fringe. It just, especially if you have long fringe, it's like a total game changer. But they're both big eye needles. They are not the only needles that I use. I like to use size 10 beading needles. These are ponies, and I also like to use tulip, but they're a little expensive, so it's kind of a luxury. An additional thing that I think you might need are ear wires. This is one style. There are many. I prefer gold filled and sterling silver. As you see, they're a little expensive, but you worth it, girl. Now this thing, it bores out the hole inside of a seed bead if it's stopped up with debris or materials that they use to make the seed beads. You just stick it in the center of the little bead, and it should pop whatever is stuck in there out. And these guys, I don't know about y'all, but I like to look cool and feel cool while I'm making seed bead earrings, and these kind of pretty much take care of that. But really, I can't see close up like I used to when I was younger, and I'm basically turning into my mother. So I hope this helps. This is what I use. This is what I do. This is my thing. And I'd be happy to answer any bead related questions below. Thank you.